On the surface, this withered leaf appears to have lost all life, dull and lifeless. Take a small sample and look at the world hidden inside it. Under the view of a microscope, it looks like a bustling little city. Plankton, bacteria, fungal spores, and even tiny arthropods all call this place their home. This is a stentor, a giant among single-celled organisms, reaching up to 3,000 micrometers in size, and its trumpet mouth is lined with cilia. These cilia move like a rotating filter, drawing food into its mouth. This jelly-like creature is an amoeba, and it doesn't even have a stable shape. It can change its body as needed. When it encounters food, it surrounds its prey with its body and slowly swallows it. It moves very slowly, and only in fast forward can you clearly see its movement. Askenasia. With every tiny hair constantly vibrating, like miniature paddles. This is Euchlanis, its body resembling a piece of transparent armor, and the two constantly spinning little fans on its head are called the corona. They draw in water, allowing Euchlanis to move, while also capturing tiny food particles. It is a highly efficient little filtering machine. This constantly wriggling, transparent little creature is a nematode. In the world completely invisible to the naked eye, they are among the most common and most resilient forms of life. This is Chilodonella. Its body is flat, like a tiny leaf, and Chilodonella often crawls along surfaces. This tiny, round, hair-covered creature is Urotricha. The ring of especially long cilia around its head serves as the engine that propels it forward in the water. This creature, shaped like a tiny boat, is a Navicula, with both ends pointed, resembling a small boat quietly sailing in the microscopic world. Its shell is made of silica, a natural miniature silica glass shell. Euplotes is a round, flattened ciliate. Its body resembles a small oval disc, with rows of short, dense cilia on its underside, allowing it to glide steadily through the water. At the front, it has several specialized cilia, which look like tiny tentacles, and are not only used to sense its surroundings, but also help capture tiny food particles. This ciliate is called Litonotus, with a body shaped like a curved tube, transparent and flexible, resembling a tiny swimming dragon in the microscopic world. This seemingly ordinary leaf is actually a bustling world of microscopic life. In every corner of the leaf, countless tiny organisms reside, forming an intricate and complex miniature ecosystem. Each living being quietly plays out its own story.